we have given inequality. First, the boundary line will be y is equal 1.5x minus 2, and because we have here inequality y is less than or equals, it means that this line is part of the solution. So we will draw a straight line. What else? When we have here slope intercept 4, and because we have positive slope, it means our line will go up. What else? We have here given negative 2. B is negative 2. It means that the y-intercept point is 0, negative 2. So we have to draw xy plane. To draw the graph of our function, we have here linear function. The graph of linear function is straight line. We need y-intercept point and x-intercept point. So to find in which point our line past x-axis, we will take for y 0, because on this line y is equal 0. So now we will substitute to our equation y by 0. So we have 0 is equal 1.5 times x minus 2. I will move negative 2 to the left side, so we will have 2 is equal 1.5x. Now we have to divide both sides by 1.5, and let me change these two fractions. And I will move to the left. I will change the sides, so it will be 1.5 is 3 over 2x is equal to. Now I will multiply both sides by 2 over 3 to reduce the left side. So we have 3 and 3 we can reduce, 2 and 2. So we had that x is equal, 2 times 2 is 4 over 3. This is 1 and 1/3. So we have 0.1, 1/3, first coordinate, and second is 0. So we have 0, negative 2, and 1 and 1/3 and 0. So this is 0. We have to choose the unit. 0, negative 2, 1, negative 2. The second point is 1 and 1/3. So it's approximately here. And we see we got that our function is going up, like I said, because the slope is positive, and because we have here inequality, y is less than or equals, so we will draw the line, because this line belongs to our solution. And now we have to choose which part of our plane we have to shade. The easiest way is to choose one point and check if this point belongs to our inequality. It's always the easiest point is 0, 0. So let's put this is first coordinate, this is second coordinate. So we have point 0, 0. Our inequality is y is less than or equals 1.5 times x minus 2. Now we will substitute x by 0 and y by 0. So we have 0 less than or equals 1.5 times 0 minus 2. So we have 0 is less than or equals 1/2. 1.5 times 0 is 0. So we have only negative 2. 0 is less than or equals negative 2. No, it's not true. It means that this point doesn't belong to our solution. So it means we have to shade the other side. this half of plane is our solution to our inequality. This is my solution.